can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash currently trades above $598. Bitcoin Cash market cap sits at around $11.92 billion. Over the last 1 year, Bitcoin Cash is up 81.5%. Good news. Altcoin season is here. According to Altcoin Season Index, we have officially entered altcoin season in 2025. What will that mean for Bitcoin Cash? We'll look at Bitcoin Cash performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. How high can we possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Good times have returned back to the altcoin market. We're seeing double-digit gains across the board, triple-digit gains across the board in a short period of time. How will that affect the price of Bitcoin Cash? We'll also look at Bitcoin Cash performance against Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Bitcoin Cash market cap. We sit above that $11 billion level. Can we get to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin Cash currently trading above $598 with a fully diluted market cap of $12.5 billion. So Bitcoin Cash getting to as high as $4,355. This was in December of 20th December of 2017. Right now, Bitcoin Cash is down 86% from its all-time highs. But we're getting very close to that period in time where altcoins go parabolic. We're in altcoin season. Historically, guys, altcoin season is where you want to be. Altcoin season is where altcoins go parabolic in the end of a market cycle. And right now, the altcoin season index just flashed. We are officially in the first altcoin season of 2025. Over the last 3 years, we've seen Bitcoin Cash fail to rally past $700. $700 is proving to be the most difficult region to blast through. In 2021, the $700 region proved very difficult, but when we blasted through it eventually, we saw Bitcoin Cash getting to as high as $1,600, and in 2017, we saw Bitcoin Cash even getting to as high as $4,000. So we need to blast above $700 level. We're very close to that $700 level. We saw Bitcoin Cash getting there in March of 2024, just to be rejected. We made another attempt in December of 2024 just to get rejected. And right now in 2025, it's been a slow grind. I will not be shocked, guys, if we see Bitcoin Cash finally blast through the $700 level. But when we get to $1,600, another huge resistance level awaits us. That will be a 175% pump to the upside from where we are currently trading. These altcoins are very volatile, guys. Crazy things happen in the altcoin market. Just over the last 1 week alone, we have seen one altcoin that went up 1,500%. Multiple altcoins have gone up more than 40% over the last 1 week. And I believe we'll see more altcoins going parabolic over the next few days and the next few weeks. Bitcoin Cash included. You just have to plan your trade and trade your plan. The higher we go, the more riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to take some profit off the table. If you want to get some Bitcoin Cash for yourself, you can get some Bitcoin Cash on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Bitcoin Cash there. Bitcoin Cash is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that aims to become global money with fast payments, micro fees, privacy, larger block size. As a permissionless decentralized cryptocurrency, Bitcoin Cash requires no trusted third party. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. I will expect sentiment to shift towards greed over the next few days and the next few weeks. Historically, when we get to altcoin season, market participants start behaving irrational. Even though Bitcoin is at all-time highs, even though Ethereum is at all-time highs, even though XRP and BNB are trading near all-time highs, you expect to see sentiment shift from neutral to extreme greed, and extreme greed will lead to outrageous price predictions. So over the next few days and the next few weeks, don't be shocked to start hearing people talking about Bitcoin Cash getting to as high as $10,000, $5,000. The higher we go, the crazier the price predictions. The higher you go, the more dangerous it becomes. Remember, all coins are very volatile, and that volatility is a future. It's not a bug. From where we're currently trading, for Bitcoin Cash to get to all-time highs, if it's going to do that at any point in time in the future, a 656% pump to the upside is going to get us there. We used to say Bitcoin Cash can pump that high, but guys, before we get to that $4,000 level, we first need to blast through a very, very important resistance level, which is around the $700 level, which is very, very easy. Bitcoin Cash just needs to go up by around 20% to blast above $700. But the big one is the $1,600 level. Bitcoin Cash has not traded above that since 2021. That will be a big milestone for Bitcoin Cash. A 180% pump to the upside will see us blasting above $1,600. And if you look at Bitcoin Cash performance against Ethereum, it might be nothing to write home about, but over the next few days and the next few weeks, I will expect to see a big pump to the upside. So Bitcoin Cash finally finding the bottom against Ethereum in May of 2023. But before then, we are seeing Bitcoin Cash dump aggressively, losing more than 97% of its value against Ethereum. Historically, the end of the market cycle is when market participants start going crazy. They start behaving irrational, even the big players. So I'll not be shocked, guys, to see whales flipping their gains into Ethereum, flipping their Bitcoin gains into Ethereum, flipping their Ethereum gains into Bitcoin Cash. Historically, end of the market cycle, see more risk taking. Bitcoin Cash is one of those altcoins you should expect to get those liquidity flows over the next few days and the next few weeks. Altcoin season is here. If you don't know what altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, it is officially altcoin season. And right now, for the first time in 2025, we've seen altcoins outperforming Bitcoin over a 3-month period, which means it's officially altcoin season, which means we'll be expecting altcoins like Bitcoin Cash to go parabolic. Bitcoin Cash market cap, we sit around the $11.96 billion level. We will need to see it blast above the $30 billion region. The top in 2021 was the $30 billion level. When Bitcoin Cash got to that $30 billion level, we got rejected. The last time we saw Bitcoin Cash trading in the $30 billion level, and that was not in 2021, was way back in May of 2018. So that $30 billion level is going to be very, very significant. We need to see Bitcoin Cash market cap rally up by more than 167% for us to get there. We can get there very, very quickly. We can get there very, very slowly. But one thing is sure, guys, as I said, you want to plan your trade, you want to trade your plan. The higher we go, the more you see irrational behavior and our traders' price predictions. If you want to make money long term, you have to buy low, you have to sell high, you have to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, and when good returns, you want to sell for some sweet profit. The highest Bitcoin Cash market cap can get to probably will be the 2018 all-time highs. We used to say it can't go higher than that, but for us to get to that $75 billion level, we need to see Bitcoin Cash rally up by more than 544%. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Do you think Bitcoin Cash will rally that hard? How high do you see Bitcoin Cash going over the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.